기도하겠습니다. Word of God is living, can pierce your body and soul and bone marrow. The bright light from the heaven covers your whole bodies. Remove any toxins, any inflammations, any disease. Remove any skin disease. Remove any wicked energies from your whole bodies. Your whole body is brightening with Jesus Christ's light. The light of Jesus Christ cleans your whole bodies, penetrate on your whole head, the cervical spine, thoracic spine, lumbar spine, and sacrum. The whole spinal cord is very, very, very shiny and brightening with Jesus Christ's light. The light cleans your lung, trachea, bronchi, every soft tissue of your lung and airways are very, very brightening. The light cleans both hip, shoulder, arm, forearm, fingers. Cleans your bone marrow of your shoulders, bone marrow of your arm, bone marrow of your forearm, fingers are brightening with Jesus Christ. Christ the light. The light cleans whole pelvis, whole thigh, whole knee, whole leg, whole toe and foot and toes are brightening with Jesus Christ light. Brightening. The light cleans your back, whole skins, your whole kidneys are regenerated, healed. Heal your whole kidneys and make it shiny and brightening. The light cleans your whole heart, pericardium, coronary arteries, cleans your whole small intestine, cleans your large intestines, cleans your whole kidneys, cleans your whole small intestines, cleans your whole area of your bodies.
주여 감사합니다. 아버지 감사합니다. 오 주여 감사합니다. 오유 감사합니다 주님. 오 주여 감사합니다. 아버지 감사합니다.